There's a beach over there. That's the, I think that's the, I don't know kung anong beach yan.
Laguna Beach.
Laguna Beach. Maliit lang siya. Pero merong maliit na island doon. Ayun. Kita nyo doon. Banda doon. Yun. Daming tao. Sarap kasi yung panahon. Hindi malamig. Summertime na. Mainit. Kakanan na tayo. Punta sa Crystal Cove State Park. As you can see, most of the time, campground is full. But Rayu found an available spot today, and he grabbed it. So that's how we got a spot today on a weekend. Usually it's always full, so we got lucky.
Rare. Yeah, it's very rare to see a spot open here, except most of the time when it's raining. But this time we got lucky because it's nice and we found a spot.
And Nordic is with us. He's hanging out here. Looks so tired. So you can see, we are campground 35, and we're gonna show you around. We are, oh, someone's coming, and there are campsites over there too. And this is our spot. Say hi, Nordic. Woof, woof. There's the ocean. Bathrooms over there, right there. And there's an elementary school over on that side. Has a table. Make some dinner tonight. Okay, we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit.
They don't have ring. They don't have fire.
Oh yeah, that's what I noticed. Yeah, they don't have a fire pit. So I guess we can't do fire here.
You can use that for your raised bed.
I guess. Yeah. All right. We'll see you guys in a little bit. He's setting up the table. We're just gonna hang out here because it's still hot, and then we're just gonna hang out here. Easy. We just got that from Walmart, and your table's set up. Hi. We're making snacks. Sausage, chicken, Applebee's.
Ganyan lang ang buhay.
Yeah. Katatapos mag-snack. And later, we're gonna eat again. Excuse me.
Pinapanood lang namin yung dagat, yung ulap. Tinitingnan namin kung may tatalo na pating.
Yeah, because sometimes you can see it here too.
So, ayan na naman po. Kami po lalapang na naman. Snack lang yung kanina Steak naman kami ngayon. Kanina hotdog. Ang ano lang yung panghimagas. Lumubog na din yung araw. Pero kanina maganda yung araw. Medyo lumalamig na. Mamaya testingin namin tong ilaw na to. Tignan natin kung maliwanag nga siya. Katingin lang siya. Hindi, kailangan daw ng plato.
Ay, ang sarap. Oh, kita mo.
Unbox natin tong bago naming ilaw. Wow, ang laki.
Paano? Like this?
Yes.
Oh! Wow, bilis.
Turn on.
Wow.
Yeah,
Maliwanag siya. Paano itaas? This is the base, and then you pull this up.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll hold it. See? Ang galing ko, no? Oh, see? I was right. Again. There it is.
Yan, it has a remote.
Yeah.
What's that?
Saan yan? Sa TikTok shop?
No, this is Costco.
Oh, Costco? Okay, so we got it from Costco. Nalatang ko
Kain
na.
tayo.
Hindi ba maalat? Medyo matigas yun, no?
Share natin si Nordic. Wala kaming ginawa kundi lumamon.
Wala kaming rice.
Sige, pati yung asong yan. Kain ng kain. Bago maluto yung patatas, ubos na yung karne.
Kaya sabi ko kanina, lutuin ko na to.
We're gonna try this for the first time. Let's hope that it works. The last time, hindi nag-work yung plug namin. So, but then again, I figured it out. Dali lang.
We got Pete's coffee.
Pete's coffee. Baka naman. Lagyan natin ang tubig. After multiple attempts, I think I figured it out. I see light. Coffee. It's working. It's actually pretty quiet.
Compared to ours.
So let's see how many percentage it will draw from the battery. It's 76% when I started it. We have coffee. Giovanni, baka naman. Kilala ko si si Cho.
Si Chong Bani. Nagre-ready na kaming umuwi. We're packing up.
No, just to leave the campsite. Not going home yet.
Yeah. Good morning. We are in Orange County and we passed by a really nice park called Heisler Park. So we're gonna drop by, check it out, and then we're bringing Nordic with us. Nagmamadali ka pa, Nordic eh. Masyado kang nagmamadali. Magbabayad muna tayo. Pay with our app. Bayad na rin tayo. May 30 minutes pa kami pero might as well magbayad. Baka matrouble pa kami. Ganda. Maganda dito. Oh, my view. Bababa ka nga lang. Itong they're dancing. See, that's Heisler Park. And then we're gonna go there. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Titignan natin sa baba. Ganda. Kita mo yan? Pwede kang mag-picnic. Oh. First time namin makapunta dito sa lugar na to. Oh, pwede pala kaming bumaba. Pwede tayong bumaba.
We can, but Nordic is gonna get
Oo. Wow. Ang ganda. Try kong bumaba. Para makita niyo, pakita ko sa inyo how it looks like downstairs. Pero, Diyos ko Lord, patawarin mo kung pag paakyat na. Pero napaka-steep. Oh, nakakatakot. Ay, nako. Parang feeling ko hindi na ako makakabalik. Akyat na tayo. Oh my gosh. Ang hirap naman umakyat. They have a really nice restroom over here. But you have to be careful going to the restrooms. I was telling my husband, I said, compared to La Jolla, sabi ko sa kanya, parang mas maganda dito sa Laguna Beach. Mas maluwang yung walking path. Tsaka yung tubig maliwanag. Wow, this place is amazing.
It's definitely nicer here than La Jolla. I think.
Yes, I think so too. It's wider because La Jolla is just a small cove. Laguna Beach is a stretch of beach. See? Yung mga rocks. Isn't that nice? The rocks here are better. Ano sa tingin mo?
Yeah, it's more, there's more, the landscape is better here.
And then you can see people surfing over there.
When they're surfing close to that rock
rocks.
over there.
Oo. Ayun. Yan. Yung beach na yan. Maganda dun. And then pag mag-surfing sila, dyan lang, lalapit lang nila, oh. May surfer doon. Ayun, sa katabi ng rock. La Jolla is different, I guess.
Hi, we're going to Del Mar Fair. Hi.
We're here now at Del Mar Fair. I'm gonna go try to find parking. Hi. Parking now. We got our tickets from Costco. It's $99 for 4 tickets and a 1-day parking. You can see over here. Yep.
The middle part needs to.
Where are we going first, guys?
Ayun yung hato.
Ooh, let's go get some hats. It's hot. I need a hat. So right off the bat, I see something that I already like right over here.
Show them the coupon book. Wow.
That's what I got.
Okay, let's go, guys. Where to?
Where?
Yeah. I feel like I've never been here before. At least I don't remember.
It's been a while since you've been to this fair. I think it's been 5 years since we last came here.
Damn. So I was like, what, 11?
Yes. I want some barbecue. What do you think?
Right here?
No, I don't want turkey legs. I want like real barbecue.
Okay, let's go find.
She got funnel cake.
Going to explore all the food and mga items that they're selling at the exhibition hall. There's stuff that they sell also on top of like food. It's not just food.
Yeah.
Ang una naming tatry na food is funnel cake. Mika's picking it up right now over there. So what can you say?
So good. This one's much softer than the one we had last time. What's up, vlog? Today is my cheat day.
They were still toddler the last time they were here, so they're enjoying this so much right now. Of aguas frescas. We also have pan-fried stuff. And there was mga funnel cake. It's not that crowded yet. Now we're at the ride section. Whoa. Let's go around first. I want to play basketball already. Look at that slide. Do you guys want to do that?
No. I'm scared.
So we have the card right here from Costco. I think it's 40 something. I don't know.
They're gonna play basketball.
Look at all their prices.
Oh my gosh, there's so much.
Jump boat ride. Remember, no team, so one ball at a time.
Guess what? shopping exhibit hall. Let's see what we're gonna be able to buy over here.
So we are now going to the farm. We're gonna see some animals. I'm already seeing one right now. I think it's a cow. Hello, Mr. Cow. And right next to the cow is apple. Yan ang mga apple dito. 26, 27, 28, 29. Turkey! Kuluk, 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 kuluk. We're not gonna touch. We're just gonna look. Wilbur! He's talking to me. I think he recognized me. Wilbur! Where's Ramona? Well, this one's doesn't, I think. We used to have lots of them in the Philippines. And then we call them krr, krr, krr. And then they all come to eat. Holy sheep! Oh, they think you have food. I think you can buy food. What else is in here? Oh, goats. All right, Michael Jordan, step away. The real goat is here. What's up, goat? I told them, Michael Jordan's, step away. The real goat is here. And these goats are hungry. I should start eating like a goat. Oh, he looked at me. He's mad. No, you're the goat. Look at all these vegetables. Corn, Gabby. That's the corn. Look at the eggplant. Yeah, the bunnies. Oh.
Hello, rabbit.
Okay, let's win some prizes. Which one do you want to play? Okay, go. Let's go. We got some prizes.
Shoot 'em! Watch now. Who's my lucky winner?
You won, Mika. It's up to you. What is it? We got a lifetime supply of butter. Got prizes. We went to the farm.
Ang laki ng goat. Ang laki ng mga bata. May laki ng mga baka, oh. Ay, ang lalaki. Hello, big guy. Hi, big guy. Ang gaganda ng mga kabayo.